Have you scanned your car and found the P0016 code? Don't ignore it. This code means that the engine's computer has detected an out of alignment between the crankshaft and camshaft, which if not repaired can lead to reduced vehicle performance or even serious engine damage. What does P0016 mean? P0016 stands for Crankshaft Position, Camshaft Position Correlation, Bank 1 Sensor A. The ECU compares signals from the Crankshaft Position Sensor, CKP, and Camshaft Position Sensor, CMP. If the timing relationship is outside the acceptable range, it stores the P0016 trouble code and turns on the check engine light. Common symptoms: P0016 code. Number 1, check engine light. Number 2, hard starting or no start. Number 3, rough idle. Number 4, engine misfire. Number 5, loss of power. Number 6, poor acceleration. Number 7, increased fuel consumption. Number 8, rattling noise from the timing chain area. Number 9, engine may enter limp mode. Common causes: code P0016. Number 1, stretched or worn timing chain, belt. Number 2, faulty timing chain tensioner or guides. Number 3, bad camshaft position sensor. Number 4, bad crankshaft position sensor. Number 5, damaged wiring or loose connectors. Number 6, dirty or low engine oil affecting the VVT system. Number 7, faulty VVT solenoid or cam phaser. Number 8, damaged reluctor tone ring rarely, an ECU PCM software or hardware issue. How to diagnose P0016: scan for additional OBDII codes, check engine oil level and condition, inspect wiring and connectors for the CKP and CMP sensors, test the crankshaft and camshaft sensors, check live data with an OBDII scanner, verify mechanical timing marks, inspect the timing chain, guides, and tensioner, test the VVT solenoid and oil control system. How to fix P0016 depending on the cause. Repairs may include: follow this video for step-by-step diagnostics to identify and resolve the problem. Step number 1. Check and change your engine oil, most common solution. Check the oil level. Check the dipstick to make sure your engine is low on oil. If the oil level is low, add engine oil to correct the oil level. Oil condition. If the oil is dark oil, cloudy oil, OLD oil out OF date, or has been overdue for a change, it could be clogging your variable valve timing, VVT, system, causing this code to appear. What to do? Change the oil and filter using the manufacturer's recommended viscosity oil. Step number 2. Inspect and clean the VVT solenoid, oil control valve. Locate the VVT solenoid near the camshaft on top of the cylinder head. Inspect and clean. Disconnect the wiring connector and check for any oil leaks or damage. Remove the solenoid and check its small screen for varnish and mud buildup. Spray it with an air intake cleaner to remove any obstructions and use a clean cotton cloth or tissue paper to wipe it dry. Reinstalling the VVT solenoid may resolve the problem. Step number 3. Test or replace the position sensors. If the oil and VVT solenoid check out, the camshaft or crankshaft position sensors may be malfunctioning. Wiring check. Visually inspect the wire harnesses leading to these sensors for any frays, cuts, or corrosion. Sensor test. Use a multimeter to check the sensor's resistance against your vehicle's specific service manual specifications. Action. If the sensor tests out of specifications or fails continuity, replace it. Step number 4. Check the timing chain or belt. If all the above yield no results, the physical timing is likely off. Inspect for if your vehicle is easily accessible, remove the timing cover and check the timing chain belt, wear, or a damaged tensioner, align marks, rotate the engine to top dead center, TDC, and verify if the timing marks on the camshaft and crankshaft line up perfectly. A stretched chain or slipped tooth will need to be replaced. Step 5. Check the tone ring inspection. The last common physical culprit is a damaged, misaligned, or loose tone ring, the reluctor wheel, on the crankshaft or camshaft. Check to make sure they haven't sheared the key that aligns them. After making repairs or cleaning components, use an OBD2 scanner to clear the P0016 code and take your vehicle for a test drive to see if the engine management warning light stays off.